Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel with me Fitamala Sari. So today I will talk about developing guide questions and monitoring comprehensions. In doing all the daily activities that you do, it has a purpose. You do something on the basis of achieving a goal, right? So reading activities must also be activities that have a purpose. Before you start reading articles, magazines, newspaper, books, or other reading material, you must have a goal, namely what you will know or what you will understand by reading of the reading material. Your goals will of course vary depending on the situations and the material you are reading. In this video, we will learn how to make grading questions in reading. The grading questions appears before we read a passage. Besides learning to make grading questions that can guide us when reading a text, we will also learn how to monitor comprehension when reading a text. Okay, now I'll be sharing the definition of guide questions. What is guide questions? Guide questions are a set of questions that arise before someone reads in detail. Guiding questions can be made based on information from the article title or article subheading, which will be read into questions that will be answered when you read the article. The questions that you ask before reading the contents of the article serve as guides in reading. Thus, reading activities carried out have goals to be achieved. For example, a chapter in the book Language Teaching entitled Method of Communicative Language Teaching, you can ask how to prepare for communicative language teaching, how can material be arranged in teaching language communicatively, how are language components taught in communicative language teaching. These questions will be answered when you read the article. Therefore, guide questions are very necessary so that in reading an article, it has the goal of finding answers to guide questions. As you know, a teacher who teaches reading, one of the activities carried out is that the teacher asks questions about the reading that students will read, so that the students have guide questions. Okay, now how to asking the right guide questions? Arranging guide questions in order to function properly must make the right questions. Questions can be started with question words like what, why, how. Questions that begin with a question words with what, why, and how are useful types of question because it requires you to think. The type of questions that starts with the question words who, when, where is of little use because it only demands one or two word answers. Only refers to a specific fact, not a concept. Okay, now how about monitoring comprehensions? Have you ever had a reading assignment and you didn't understand what you were reading? Or have you spent enough time reading a few pages and then realized that there is a little you can understand from the text? If so, then you need to do this troubleshooting. There are very useful ways to solve this problem. This method is called cognitive monitoring. So, what is cognitive monitoring? Cognitive monitoring can be defined as awareness of what is happening while doing the reading process. In cognitive monitoring, you maintain awareness of the level of understanding by assigning clues or signs that describes whether you understand what you are reading. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope that you understand what I explained. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.